What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 4 of season 2 of LSJ.
That's Little Slice of Jevin for those of you maybe just joining us for the very first time. He's Jack, I'm Evan. Together we are Jevin.
And this is our little slice.
This is our little slice, and we're sharing it with you here today. And you know, the world is in a state of
panic?
Understandable panic and disarray due to a certain virus which shall not be named. Yeah. But anyway, the government and people are all like, hey, social distancing and whatnot, and stay in your homes. But here at Jevin, we are committed. We're committed to you and providing high quality content. We're quarantining ourselves here in the studio.
But that content is getting even better because we have a new person joining our team. Tia, come on over here. Say hi to the folks. This is Tia. And Tia is going to start producing Jevin on the reg. So look for that quality to increase with sound, video, everything.
Everything. But Jack, tell the people what we're doing today.
Today, we've got this hefty old gallon of Flex Seal.
Flex Seal, you've seen it on TV. You've seen it on last season of Jevin. And today we're bringing it back. And Jack, tell the people what we're doing with it.
Well, you've seen my man Phil Swift cut boats in half and fix them with Flex Seal.
Right down
Guess what? We're upping you, Phil. We are creating a boat.
Building it from
with
scratch.
Flex Seal, maybe some cardboard and duct tape, but Flex Seal is going to be the boat, and let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, well, the boat is all Flex Sealed up, thick, with 2 C's. Now I just gotta let it dry. All right, everybody, well, we're here at the lake with the Flex Seal boat.
It has dried. It is not a perfect creation. We came back and realized that there are some, we missed some spots. So we filled in some of the gaps with Flex tape and Flex spray. But once again, we're not engineers. We're hoping she floats, and then we're gonna, give it a shot and get in her.
You wanna get in first?
I guess.
You're lighter. You're just gonna touch the bottom. All right, we're GoPro recording. We're getting in the boat. Oh. Should we sit down?
I think so.
Should we paddle away?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm working on it.
Paddle, Evan.
I'm trying. Well, we're on a Flex Seal boat. We're on a lake. We're on the lake. It appears to not be really leaking too much.
There's a lot of people around the corner here. Not totally sure. There's no water. As you guys can see, we're completely dry at the moment. I'm impressed with the Flex Seal boat right now.
Phil Swift wherever you are,
This kid's calling his friends.
Phil Swift, wherever you are, you done good. I know you didn't invent the Flex Seal. A team of scientists did that and you took credit for it. But it's a high quality product. And when used correctly, I'm sure we could have made it the entire way across this lake. Oh, wait, we're leaking! We're leaking! We are leaking. My butt is wet. Is this the duct tape side? Yeah. Yep. So, there was one side of the boat that was not... that was sealed pretty poorly. We had to patch it up with duct tape, and now it's leaking.
How's it going?
You guys shaking?
A little bit.
All right.
Oh, this isn't a good spot to be in.
We're up the lake without a paddle, one might say. Just so much water. Well, she floated.
I think we could have got across the lake truly if we had a motor.
Bit of motor, if we would have invested in that second can of Flex Seal rather than just one. That's my recommendation for all of you today. If you're ever buying Flex Seal, you're gonna think you need one can. Always buy two.
Phil probably used 10.
See you next week.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more Jevin, click the box on the left. And if you missed Elevate Online last night, click the box on the right. If you aren't a subscriber yet, go ahead and do that now and stay up to date with all things Elevate.